Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Everyone, good morning everyone.
Morning.
So how's your Ramadan?
Fine.
Are you guys still in puasa? Atau ada yang puasa setengah?
Puasa full.
Puasa full. Okay, good. So today our third meeting with me, and today you are going to present your group project as we discussed in the last meeting. So wait a minute, I will check the group of you, your group I mean. Are you guys ready for present your group project assignment?
Yes, ready.
Okay, good. But before that, I will check your name first. This is me by the word, right? First is Andi Muhammad Fauzi Alfia. Are you there?
Present, Miss.
Okay, good. Next, Abdul Muarif Kasman. Are you there? Abdul Muarif? No one. Okay, next. Adin Rafi Fahrezi.
Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Next is Ahmad Fazil Hafiz Nur Hamza. Are you there?
Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Next is Ahmad Hadian Khalik Maulana.
Present.
Okay. Next, Andi Muhammad Hatta. Andi Muhammad Hatta. Andi Muhammad Hatta. Okay, no one. Andi Sultan Maulana. Andi Sultan Maulana. Okay, no one. Faiz Fatan Aferil.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next is Gias Fazle Maula.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next is Muhammad Fawaz Hilmi.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next is Muhammad Ainun Ridho Uno.
Present.
Are you there? Okay, thank you. Next is Muhammad Alfat Nezar. Muhammad Alfat Nezar. No one. Muhammad Bintang Alsa.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next is Muhammad Fadil Mulyadi.
Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Muhammad Faik Fadul Aziz.
Present.
Okay. Next is Muhammad Fazlur Rahman Isran. Muhammad Fazlur Rahman Isran. No one. Next, Muhammad Raihan Wisesa. Raihan Wisesa. No one. Muhammad Said Sabit.
Present.
Okay. Next is Muhammad Teguh Raffiadi.
Present.
Okay. Next, Muhammad Zaki Idrus.
Present.
Okay. Next, Amanda Zakia Khairan. Amanda Zakia Khairan. No one. Andi Anissa Salsabila Asfa.
Present, Miss.
Oh, okay, thank you. Next, Andi Amira Rizki Existia.
Present.
Okay. Next is Andi Aziza Dwi Cahyani.
Present.
Okay. Safa Rafilah Irwan. Safa Rafilah Irwan. No one. Ane Mazaya Zafaya Syafia. Ane Mazaya Syafia.
Pindah. Pindah. Pindah,
Oh,
Kak.
pindah.
Iya.
Next is Artika Aulia Sumantri.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next is Aulia Nurcahya Nasmar. Aulia Nurcahya Nasmar. No one. Zakia Baziga Putri Reski. Zakia Baziga Putri Reski. No one. Elena Istiqomah.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next, Farsha Hudia Fahrul.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next, Humaira Rafani Rizal.
Hadir. Present.
Thank you. Nabila Jingga Maya Savana.
Present.
Next is Naila Nursabila Syam.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next is Naila Amalia Muslimin.
Present.
Next, Nur Alia Azkia.
Present.
Putri Nurfadila Hairuddin.
Present.
Radatul Asya Saduddin.
Present.
Next is Rahma Amini.
Present, Miss.
Wait a minute. Okay. Next, Ameiza Elia R. Rameiza. No one. Salma Brilianti Siregar. Salma Brilianti Siregar. No one. Sandiza Mariam Purbawani.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next is Siti Hardianti Rais.
Present.
Siti Zaskia Ihsan.
Present.
Syafila Firda Nafeza.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Ada berapa orang ini yang tidak hadir? 1, 2, 3. Ada 13 orangnya yang tidak hadir. Oh, sorry, 12 orang. Jadi untuk kelompok pertama, siapa kelompok pertama? Oke, siapa kelompok pertama yang akan presentasi? Hello everyone, are you there?
Delay jaringannya. Mau membaca Kak? Tunggu dulu.
Okay. For your assignment, untuk tugas pertama dan kedua yang kami berikan, yang di pertemuan sebelumnya ada beberapa orang yang tidak mengumpulkan ya. Lumayan banyak yang tidak mengumpulkan tugasnya minggu lalu dan minggu sebelumnya. What's wrong with that? Okay, where is the group one? Hello, where's the group one?
Bisa lanjut dulu Pak ke kelompok 2 karena jelek sekali jaringannya katanya.
Can you guys send me the name of your group? Nama-nama grupnya kalian. Kan di pertemuan sebelumnya sudah dibuat grupnya yang itu menghitung 1 sampai 8. Tapi no one send me the list of the group. Tidak ada yang mengirimkan saya list grupnya. Coba bisa kirimkan saya list grupnya. Ketua kelas. Siapa lagi ketua kelasnya? Ketua kelas.
Ya.
Ya, mana Ki? Oke. Mana list grupnya?
Ya, tunggu dulu Kak.
Oke, send in your group ya.
Tunggu Kak, baru 8 orang, baru 38 orang yang isi. Masih ada sedikit belum isi. Tunggu Kak,
Oke, I will.
sabar.
Oke, bagaimana kelompok 1? Are you ready for present your group project? Halo, kelompok 1. How about kelompok 2? Kelompok 2?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready? So, could you start now? But before that, I'll wait for the list group. Okay, where's the list of the group? We don't have so much time, so can you send it us up in your group? Okay, group 1. Wait, for group 1, Ahmad Hadian Halik, Andi Sultan Maulana, Faiz Fatan Aferil, Rameiza Elia, dan Sandiza Mariam. Apa tadi kendalanya untuk kelompok 1? Kenapa belum bisa presentasi?
Jaringannya bermasalah, Kak. Tunggu dulu. Ini lagi cari posisi katanya. Cari jaringan.
Oke. Kelompok 2. Ahmad Fazil Hafiz, Andi Amira Rizki, Muhammad Ainun Ridho Uno, Muhammad Faik Fadhul, Syafila Firda Nafesa. Are you guys ready?
Yes, ready, ma'am.
Oke, kelompok 2. The class is yours.
Alright, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and morning everyone. Wishing you all the best of the day ahead. The honorable our teachers and beloved friends, first and foremost, we would love to say thank you for taking the time to listen to our project's result from the second group of last week's task about recount text. I'm Shafila Hudayna Fiza with others 4 group mates. They are Ahmad Fazil Hafiz, Andi Amira Rizki, Muhammad Ainur Ridho Uno, and Muhammad Faik Fadlul. Before going to the main presentation, I'm going to ask Amira because our project is based from her experience. Okay, so Amira, would you mind telling us what is your experience about?
Alright, Sarah. So I have written my experience when to the National Congress of Perdoski, also my trip to Semarang with my lovely family. It was my memorable experience before my last day peacefully.
Okay, I see the reason why you said it was your best experience ever. So now, to make it efficient, let's listen together the main result of our project that will be delivered from our group mates. Time is yours.
Thank you, Shafira. So, 4 years ago, 9 August 2017, Amira and her parents went to Semarang for a week to attend the conferment ceremony and the 15th National Congress of Perdoski, or Association of Indonesia Dermatologists and Venereologists, for 3 days.
The Congress was filled with a number of activities including organizational, scientific, social, community service, cultural activities, pharmaceutical exhibitions, presentations, and scientific seminars. The rest of the time is used for sightseeing, shopping for souvenirs, and culinary. They traveled to Lawang Sewu, historical buildings, and popular tours there. Don't forget, they also traveled to Sampokong ancient building temple. Amira and her family also ate foods that are popular in Semarang, such as lumpia, leker bakmi Jawa, etc. For souvenirs typical of Semarang, Amira's mother baked presto fish and wing kebab. But
After spending a week there, finally Amira and her parents returned to Makassar on the 15th of August 2017. This experience is one of her best and unforgettable experience because Amira was ill with her late father.
Alright, thank you. This is the end of our today presentation. Once again, thank you all for listening to us. I really appreciate your attention in this meeting. Somebody said, fill our life with experiences, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for group 2. You're done present your group project assignment and it goes really well. Thank you. And where's the list of next group? Group 3. The third group. Where? Mana list kelompok 3? Kenapa ini lompat-lompat dari kelompok 1, 2 langsung 4? Okay, how about group 1? Sudah ready? Ketua kelas saya mau keseluruhan ini list grupnya, tidak dikirim satu-satu seperti ini. Langsung keseluruhan list grupnya. Ketua kelas?
Ya.
Langsung keseluruhan dikirim, tidak satu-satu begini, tidak teracak juga.
Oh iya.
Oke.
Tunggu diulang dulu.
Oke, kelompok 1 bagaimana? Kelompok 1 sudah siap? Lo group 1. Atau kelompok berapa yang sudah siap untuk presentasi? Selain kelompok 2, langsung. Hello everyone.
Kelompok 4.
Kelompok 4. Oke, kelompok 4. Wait a minute. Kelompok 4, Humaira, Rafani, Farsha, Hudia, Zakia, Baziga Putri, Naila Amalia, dan Muhammad Bintang Alsa. Are you guys ready?
Tunggu Kak Bintang Alsa left.
Aduh, sekira kalian semua sudah siap. Bagaimana kelompok yang lain? Waktu kita tidak banyak. Jadi semua kelompok hari ini harus presentasi.
Siap nih, Kak.
Sudah ada, sudah lengkap kelompoknya. Halo, sudah lengkap kelompoknya?
Iya.
Oke, kelompok keempat. The floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my friends. A sunny day to start the day by learning English subjects. Me and my friends here want to tell about the experience of our friend. Her name is Naila Amalia, which for her was unforgettable and memorable experience for her. We also think that the story of Naila's is interesting experience, and we are also part of one of the pieces of her story. Before that, I would like to introduce our group. In group 4, there are me, Humaira Rafani, Naila Amalia, Farsha Hudia, Zakia Baziga, and Leslie Bintang Elsa. I didn't take long for my friends to tell me in turn, so let my friends to tell you all the story.
Visit Sumpang Bita Cave by climbing a tall stairs. Last month, Naila and her classmate visit a prehistoric place called Sumpang Bita for a study tour. Sumpang Bita is a Nexi cave called in Sumpang Bita village, Balochi district, Pakajene regions, which is where to reach the cave Sumpang Bita we have to climb a 2 house stairs.
After lunch, Naila and her classmate decided to go upstairs because they were curious and want to see the archaeological remains of ancient humans. Finally, they are started climbing the stairs one by one. At first, they are very excited, and our energy was still full from eating. But over time, they are start to feel tired because the stairs they have been climbing have been endless.
Halfway through the road, my classmates and I felt that we could no longer go up to the top. But after thinking about it, it was a shame because when else can we visit this place? Finally, rather than regret, we decided to keep going up. After about 15 to 20 minutes, we finally arrived at Sumpang Bita Cave. After arriving there, we were explained by tour guide about the history of these relics. And there, we see hand and foot painting, leaf painting, and deer painting. After seeing and taking some photos, we went back down and down the 1,000 stairs again.
Even though they were tired of climbing 1,000 stairs, it was all paid off because they can see and learn about history and prehistoric relics. Besides that, Naila is also very happy because she can spend time and have fun with their classmates. That's why a visit to Sumpang Bita was an unforgettable experience for Naila.
So that was the story of my friend's experience. That we thought was interesting, and according to Naila Amalia, it was a memorable experience for her. I think that's enough from our group. We also can wait to hear stories of interesting experience from other groups. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke. Next group. Siapa lagi? Mana list nama-namanya ini ketua kelas?
Ya, lagi sedikit Kak. Sabar. Lagi sedikit.
Oke.
Disempurnakan dulu.
Oke, siap. Kelompok selanjutnya siapa? Yang mau tampil? Baru 2 kelompok ini.
Kelompok 8, Kak, bisa.
Kelompok 8. Mana list nama kelompoknya untuk kelompok 8?
Tunggu, saya kirim ke dia.
Oke, siap. Oke, kelompok 8. Andi Muhammad Fauzi Alfia, Muhammad Sayyid Sabit, Elena Istiqomah, dan Siti Zaskia Ihsan. Are you guys ready?
Iya, Kak.
Hello everyone. Okay. The floor is yours.
Okay. Hi everyone, introduce us from group 8. We want to introduce our group members. We consist of 4 people. There are Andi Muhammad Fauzi Alfia, Muhammad Said Sabit, Siti Zaskia Ihsan, and the last one is me, Elena Istiqomah. Right, I will read the recount text. Let me tell you about one of my experiences. At the end of 2020 until the beginning of 2021, my father, my mother, me, and my brother went on vacation out of my town for the semester break and wanted to see my little cousin.
On the first day, we boarded a plane from Makassar to Bandung. In Bandung, for 2 days, my family and I immediately looked for souvenirs and explored what are the characteristics of Bandung. Then, at night, we stayed at the lodging. The next day, we went to Tangkuban Perahu. Then at night, we took a boat to Lampung.
Arriving in Lampung, we were immediately greeted by the family who were there. The next day, just like in Bandung, we immediately went to a unique tourist spot in Lampung and also played with our cousins. After 1 week in Lampung, we arrived at the end of the year and the new year there with the family.
The next day, the 1st of January 2021, my family and I went to Jakarta by plane. We stayed 1 night and definitely went to a good place like the Kota Tua, Moja Museum, GBK Stadium, then bought souvenirs, and that night I went to the airports and returned to Makassar. Alright, that's all for our presentation today, and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for 8 group. Next group. Okay, I've got the list of your group. Okay, we back to for the group 1. Bagaimana kelompok 1 sudah siap? Sepertinya belum. Oke, kelompok mana lagi yang sudah siap?
Kelompok 5.
Kelompok 5. Wait a minute. Kelompok 5, Muhammad Fawaz Hilmi, Muhammad Fadil Mulyadi, Naila Nur Sabila Syam, Rahadatul Aishi, dan Rahma Amini. Are you guys ready?
Ready, Kak.
Kelompok berapa tadi? Kelompok 5 ya?
Iya.
Oke. the floor is yours.
Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us thank the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join in this English meeting. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Rahadatul Aisi and my student number is 38. And then I continue to introduce my group. First is the speaker one.
My name is Muhammad Fawaz Hilmi and my student number is 10.
Next is the speaker two.
My name is Naila Nur Sabila Syam and my student number is 32 or 34.
Next is the speaker three.
My name is Muhammad Fadil Mulyadi. My student number is 14 or 25.
And the last one is the speaker 4.
My name is Rahma Amini and my student number is 39.
Okay, that's for the introduction of my group. And then I hand over to the speaker 1 to begin read the recount text that we made under the title Unforgettable Study Tour.
Thank you for moderator. Unforgettable study tour. On March 3rd, 2022, the day when me and my friend went to a field trip conducted by the school. We went to some of the destinations in Goa, Makassar, and Bangkok.
Sorry, Fawaz, we can hear your voice.
The first place we visit was the tomb of Arung Palaka, located in Goa. My friend and I toured around to see the grave in the destination. After spending time in the tomb of Arung Palaka, we went to the tomb of Sultan Hasanuddin, who was also in Goa. As in previous destination, there are also many graves. Next, we went to the Mandala Monument in Jenderal Sudirman Road, Makassar. The place had 3 floors, which each floor explained about ancient state of affairs.
Then we went on to the next destination in the Rotterdam Fort, located in Makassar. Once there, we took a short walk outside the fortress and were afterward directed to the Laga-Lego Museum. The museum had 3 floors, but only 2 floors allowed to visit. The first floor contained many kinds of miniature vessels used by the ancient. For example, is Pinisi ship, and on the second floor there was a wide variety of Bugis cultural traits.
After visiting the destination of Goa and Makassar, we finally went to the last destination, most distant destination of Sumpambita, located on Pangkep. We took a long drive around 2 hours. We stopped at the mosque for recess and prayed Zuhur together. When we arrived, we ate first. After eating, we climbed the 1,000 steps of the Sumpambita to see the fingers of ancient people palms. It was our new experience to climb stairs with the sheer number of about 1,000 rungs. After that, we climbed down 1,000 stairs and we played games together in the field.
After spend time in Sumpambita, we finally went back to school to wait for a ride. I feel so happy about spend all day with my beloved friends. It was an unforgettable experience for us.
Okay, that's all for our recount text. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, next group. Thank you for the group 5. Next group, siapa yang ready for present their group project assignment? Kelompok berapa lagi yang ready? Hello everyone. everyone. Kelompok berapa lagi? Ayo. Are you guys still there? Ayo, kelompok berapa lagi yang mau presentasi?
Kelompok 1 bisa, Kak?
Oke, kelompok 1. Ahmad Hadian Halik, Andi Sultan Maulana, Faiz Fatana Feril, Rameiza Elia, dan Sandiza Mariam. Is that your group for group 1? Halo, kelompok 1?
Yes, Kak.
Okay, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you for giving my group the opportunity to read about one of our interesting experience. Secondly, if you don't know it, you don't love it, then introduce our group of 5 participants, namely Faiz Fatan Aferil, Ahmad Hadian Halik, Andi Sultan Maulana, Rameza Elia, and myself, Sandiza Mariam Purbawani. The experience we will share is the experience of one of our members on field trip study tour with classmates.
At the time, on the 3rd of March 2022, we did a study tour to 5 places. First, we went to the hero's grave, which is located in the Goa Regency area. Our job was only to document the various places we visited.
Actually, not only our class did a study tour at the time, there were other classes who did a study tour at the time, but here I just want to tell you about myself and my class.
Next.
At the time, on the 3rd of March 2022, we did a study tour to 5 places. First, we went to the hero's grave, which is located in the Goa Regency area. Our job was only to document the various places we visited.
Second, we visited the tomb of our hero again, namely Sultan Hasanuddin, which is still located in the Goa Regency area as well. The third, we visited the Mandala Monument and saw a lot of photos from our heroes and illustration of war. Fourth, we visited the Fort of Rotterdam. There we saw a lot of historical relics there.
And the last place is Sumpang Bita, which is located in the Mars area. It is quite far from the place we visited before. There we climbed the stair of approximately 1,000 to see the cave up there. Quite tiring, but we were quite satisfied with what we saw. We see up there.
A note of our story. Sorry if there are shortcomings, because perfection belongs only to God. Ayu Ting Ting is eating. Thank you for everything.
Okay. Andi Sultan Maulana? Where Andi Sultan Maulana?
Ya, saya Kak.
Andi Sultan Maulana, have you presented? Andi Sultan Maulana tadi sudah ngomong.
Sudah Kak.
Sudah, Kak.
Iya Kak, iya sudah saya.
Oh, sorry.
Ketiga.
Oke. Oke. Kelompok selanjutnya. Kelompok 3. Kelompok 3, Artika Aulia Sumantri, Gias Fazle Maula, Muhammad Alfat Nezar, dan Nur Alia Azkia. Are you guys ready? Hello everyone. Kelompok 3.
Yes.
Sudah siap?
Ya, siap Kak, siap.
Okay, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I'm here to represent my group 3. Before I present this group test, I'd like to introduce my friends in group 3, starting with me, Gias Fazul Maula Rahmat, Artika Aulia Sumantri, Muhammad Alfat Nezar, and Nur Alia Askia. So before I read the text, this text was based on my imagination. To be exact, it was based on my dreams. So next, I allow my friend Alpha to take over. Next, I allow my friend Tika to take over.
Okay, thank you. Last night I was so tired and I fell asleep around 10 p.m. and suddenly I feel like I woke up in another dimension full of mystical beasts such as dragon and lots of other monsters.
After that horrific expression, my sweat were running down my spine and realized I was in my room sleeping on my bed. It was all just a dream. It's already 3:30 a.m., so I rushed up to my bedroom, washed my face, and it's for sure. From this expression, I learned that before I sleep, I should be prayed first.
I walk around the land that I woke up on and I realized there is a mirror in front of me and I was not who I am. I am a 6-foot man with a robe with medieval looking
clothes, holding a wand, releasing I was a magician. I cast a fireball, spell to take on the evil dragon surrounding me. But it has not affected the dragons, get angry and fly into me and at me.
After that horrifying experience, my sweats were running down my spine, and I realized I was in my room sleeping on my bed. It was all just a dream. It's already 3:30 a.m., so I rushed up to my bathroom, washed my face, and ate for sahur. From this experience, I learned that before I sleep, I should have prayed first. So that was the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for group 3. So, waktu kita sudah habis, sudah lebih malah. Jadi untuk kelompok yang belum presentasi, saya harap dan saya mohon kelompok kalian dibuatkan video presentasi, lalu kirim ke grup kelas kalian. Bagaimana? Bikin video, terus kirim ke grup kelasnya. Bagaimana teman-teman? Kelompok yang sudah selesai itu kelompok 1, kelompok 2, kelompok 3, kelompok 4, kelompok 5, kelompok 8. Ya, itu saja. Kelompok Kelompok 9 dan kelompok berapa ini? Kelompok 9, kelompok 7, dan kelompok 6 itu belum. Jadi tinggal 3 kelompok. Jadi saya harap kalian buatkan video presentasi. Video presentasi lalu kirim ke grup. Deadline-nya sebelum jam 10. Oke? Bagaimana teman-teman?
10 apa nih, Kak? 10 pagi?
10 pagi ini.
Oh iya.
Kirim ke tinggal 3 kelompok yang tadi. Oke? Tinggal kelompok 7, 6, 7, 9 yang belum. Saya tunggu video kalian.
Kak,
Yeah.
mau tanya itu bikin video kelompoknya kumpul sama anggota yang lainnya atau lewat bagaimana?
Maksudnya?
Kan kita bilang bikin video presentasi, itu lewat dan saya rekam rame-rame, kumpul Kak sama anggota yang lain atau bagaimana?
Kan ini kalian masih online, jadi bisa kalian bikin room Google Meet atau Zoom, lalu kalian record, screen record, setelah itu kumpul hasil videonya itu. Bagaimana? Atau bisa juga, oh ya, bisa aja, begitu.
Oh iya Kak.
Jelas video kalian, kelompok masing-masing presentasi, setiap anggota dalam kelompoknya harus presentasi ya. Bagaimana teman-teman untuk 3 kelompok ini yang belum? Did you guys got my point? Atau ada sesuatu yang ditanyakan? Oke? Kalau begitu, karena waktu kita sudah lewat, atau begini, kalau tidak bisa kalian kirim di grup WA, kalian juga bisa upload di YouTube atau di Google Drive. Sebisanya kalian saja, yang jelas videonya dikumpul sebelum jam berapa tadi saya bilang? Jam 10. Oke? Kalian masih punya banyak waktu ini. Bagaimana teman-teman? everyone.
Jika sampai jam 10 sebentar.
Iya, sampai jam 10 sebentar.
Paling itu paling
lewat 10 menit masih oke lah. 10 lewat 10 masih oke.
Nggak bisa sampai sesudah pembelajaran, sesudah zuhur.
Masih ada kelas setelah ini kah?
Iya, habis ini masih ada kelas ini. Masih ada.
Masih ada kelas setelah ini.
Oh, kalau begitu kelas kalian selesai sampai jam berapa?
Sampai jam setengah 12.
Untuk hari ini. Berarti batasnya sampai jam 1.
Ah iya, Kak.
Oke? Tinggal 3 kelompok ini, tidak banyak, sedikit sih. Oke? Did you guys got my point?
Ya, Kak.
Yes, Kak. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your attendance today. Thank you for your participant, and thank you for all the group that have present their group project assignment. And I'll be waiting for the group who not yet to present their group project assignment. So have a nice day and see you in the next meeting. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.